Alright guys, today I'm going to go back over exponents. This is what we did right before spring break. I just gave you some notes on it though, so hopefully, I know some of you had some questions. Do another week of it, hopefully I'll answer some of your questions in these videos. Before I get started, since we're starting on Tuesday this week, since we have school on Monday, our Zoom conferences this week will be Wednesday at 10 and 2. To go over any questions you may have on this. Today you're going to get 14 problems, as you've probably seen. I'm going to work 3 with you. When we are multiplying here, we're multiplying variables. What we do with all these variables, essentially, when we're multiplying these, we're just adding. So, we don't have any other 3's to multiply, so we have 3 out front. We have u to the negative third, and then another u to the negative third, so negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 is going to be u to the negative 9th power. And then for my b's, I have b to the 4th. And then minus negative 3, so I'm just going to have 1b. Now, anytime our variable is negative, we have to change that. And in order to do that, we have to flip it down into the denominator. So all this is essentially over 1. So if I was going to flip that down up top, I would now have 3b all over. Flip it down to the bottom to make it positive, u to the 9th power. And this is what we're looking for, simplifying these. So there's number 5. Number 7. Three u to the 3rd power times 4xy to the negative 4th power. So we're multiplying these. Go ahead and do your whole numbers. 3 times 4 is going to give me 12. And then I like to go in alphabetical order. X would come next. There's nothing to add that with, so we just have 1x. Y to the negative, or y to the 3rd. So y minus 4 is going to give me y to the negative 1. Can I leave it like that? No, we have to change that to positive. Remember, in order to do that, we flip it down into the denominator. And that's what we would be looking for. Alright, the last one I'm going to work with you is number 11. Now we are taking variables that have exponents and raising them to other powers. So before, when we were multiplying, we were adding them. Now, when they raise a whole variable like that to a power, what we have to do now is we actually multiply. So we're going to multiply this exponent by that exponent. We also have to do the whole numbers. So anything that's here, you have to square it as well. So 4 squared is going to give me 16. Negative 1 times 2 gives me a to the negative 2nd power. Negative 3 times 2 gives me b to the negative 6th power. Can I leave it like that? No, remember those have to become positive. In order to do that, we're going to flip them down into the denominator. So I'm going to have 16 all over a squared times b to the 6th power. So that's what we got. Get those submitted. I'll have my phone on me. If you have any questions, send it through Schoology. Wednesday we'll be doing our Zoom conference. We'll pick up with another lesson on Thursday. So hope you all have a good Easter. Hope you all are still finding ways to kind of get outside, stay busy. That's what I got for you. So hopefully you'll have a good week, and I will see you all on Thursday.